Okay, so I was driving to work in my 2005 GMC Sierra, and the driver's side vent started blowing out hot air, and I had the AC on, and you'd reach over to the passenger side and it's still blowing cold. So I suspect the blend door the actuator has gone bad for the driver's side heat and cool, and so we're going to tear into this thing and find out. Okay, there's no way that I'm going to be able to lay under here and look at what screws there are, and so I have my mirror here and I'm just going to shine it up underneath, and you can see it takes 6-point sockets of some sort. So I am going to try to find the right one and we'll get this thing pulled out. That's the actuator there. Okay, I found that a 6mm socket works, and I got my mirror there to where I can go. Start taking these. It looks like there are only 2 bolts to take out. Pull the plug out. It's just got a little black tab that you push on to unlock it. That's it. I'm actually going to see. That's it right there. I wanted to pull it off and get a part number off of it before I ordered anything. So I manually moved that blend door under the dash. I removed the motor, and you're just able to grab the little knob and by hand move it. And anyways, it's got the air conditioner blowing cold again. Feels good, and that'll get me by until the new one comes in. Alright, so I got the blend door actuator ordered in. Open it up. It's just like the old one. Let's plug it in and see if it works. I had to move the blend door by hand so it would line up with the new actuator. There's a third hole in that actuator that lines up with the little tab, and that tab holds it in place while you install the 2 screws. Okay, so now you just install your screws and tighten them up. Alright, so I replaced that blend door and nothing was working. Neither side would work, neither temperature control. And I kind of started to panic. Defrost wasn't working, and I kind of thought that this HVAC control module here could be bad, and I priced them, and they're like $200 to $300 for a new one. And but then this video popped up saying to reset the HVAC system, and so I followed the instructions, and by doing that, you move the temperature controls up off the bottom about here, have the ignition off, come out to your fuse box, pull the cover, locate your HVAC fuse, which is this fuse right here. Pull that fuse for a little over a minute, and then put the fuse back in, come back in and start your truck and let it run for a couple of minutes, and don't touch the controls at all. It'll cycle through and reset itself, and you'll hear it doing its thing, but give it a couple of minutes, and then when it's done, come out here and adjust your temperatures and find that everything is working the way it should. The defrost works now. So everything's working like it should. So if you have to replace one of your blend doors and it's still not working, give this a try and that might fix it. Try resetting it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this works for you.